Deep in the heart of Malaysia and Indonesia, a legendary dish is born: rendang, the king of flavors. It's made with tender beef, slow-cooked for hours in creamy coconut milk, and a symphony of fresh spices. Lemongrass, galangal, chili, garlic. Every single bite tells a story of patience and perfection. Rendang isn't just food. It's a symbol of love and celebration, served during festivals, weddings, and precious family gatherings. From Padang, Indonesia's fiery, dry version, to Malaysia's creamy, aromatic twist, each recipe carries a soul of its people, proud, warm, and full of heart. Beyond borders, rendang unites us, reminding every Southeast Asian of home, comfort, and connection. Rendang is more than just a meal. It's heritage served on a plate. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this culinary journey, don't forget to like, share, and comment for more delicious stories.